So good evening guys. So I ordered today tire pressure monitoring, came from Lazada. So I ordered here in my home, Philippines. So let's take a review of this tire pressure monitoring and installation guide. So I already what they call this is I already unwrapped the wrapping, and let's go. Let's unbox it. So I got this Zeepin tire pressure monitoring. So from the looks of it, I think it's look good. Looks better premium on box. So I ordered the model. I think it's C260 Zeepin 260 tire pressure monitoring. So let's take a look inside. Okay, let's put this somewhere. So yun. So I have this tire pressure monitoring display. Yeah. I do believe it is solar power, and you can mount it on the windshield by using these adhesive tapes. So you have three buttons here. I don't know what it is, but let's take a review it later when I install it. So what's in the box? So a manual. So manual, tire pressure monitoring manual. So manual regarding to operating instruction and how can you set the display. So here it is. So we have the tire pressure monitoring sensor, and what do you call this? I don't know what is this. And tire lock bulb. So we have to put this on tire lock bulb. And spare battery for the sensor, I guess. So let's take this out and let's take a look. So this is tire monitoring pressure sensor. It's in, I think it's labeled as FL, and I do believe you have to put this on front left side on the tire of your car. So I do believe we have this kind of force sensor, but we don't have spare for first spare tire. So as you can see on the video, so you have the front left side, front right side, and front rear left and rear right. So that's it. So I don't know what is this. Maybe we can take a look later. So let's wrap this up and install this thing on my car. Let's take a look on the tire pressure monitoring display. So we have the USB port, I think is type B, and we have three buttons display, and we have three buttons to press. Later on we will tackle this, and you can adjust the viewing angle by using the screwdriver. So as you can see, and the solar panel and the adhesive tape where you can mount on the windshield. So there it is, model C260 tire pressure monitoring, made in China. So let's turn it on. Yes, we have the temperature unit, the pressure unit, we have the temperature itself and the pressure itself. So it has a charge. Let's see. Wrong button. You can change the unit, bar to PSI, change the temperature unit, change the upper limit warning, change the lower limit warning and the tire pressure monitoring warning. And I guess that's it. Let's install it. So let's install it in here. Let's put out the sensors. And let's install it. Tire pressure lock valve. So let's install this front right. So we have to use this wrench, lock wrench, and the valve wrench. So let's put out the stock cover of the tire pressure. Then let's put this tire pressure monitoring valve. Then let's put the tire pressure monitoring system. So front right, this is my front right wheel. So let's take a look. Let's install it. This is the tire lock. That's so it. Again, let's put this out. Put the tire lock valve. Let's put it the tire lock valve. So I already installed the 4 tire pressure monitoring sensor on the tires. So for now, let's install this module. So where do I put this thing? So I think I'm gonna put it in here. Yeah, right here. So it should be working right here. I do believe I can adjust the viewing angle by turn the screw on this thing. So take a look. Yeah, that it is. So the first things you have to do is adjust the screwdriver here and the screwdriver here. So I'm gonna post the video and let's view and let's check how the viewing angle when I install this. First things, you have to remove these adhesive tapes. Then you should be at least put this in the where the sunlight, where it reflects or where it hit the solar panel itself. So here, I think I will put it right here. So that's it. So I'm gonna
Here
post
it
the
is.
video and
I
let's see
already
it right
installed
here.
it. As you can see, it detects the tire pressure on the tire, and I have the low pressure tire 29, and the other three is 30. So as you can see, there is power coming from the sunlight, and I already charged the system pressure unit and the temperature unit. So hopefully it works, and hopefully it should be last long. And I do believe it will turn off automatically when the car is not moving, and if the car is moving, it will turn on automatically. So here it is. Thank you for watching.